the next presentation will be uh, our international business expert from India. That is Mrs. Avita Patak. Thank you and welcome.
And it's raining today, so it's a nice weather outside, and it's an auspicious event. And congratulations for your book launch, and my humble gratitude for inviting me on this event. So let me give a brief introduction. My name is Kavita Sirotia. I am an international business general manager in an agrochemical company, and I have been in the international business sales since 15 years. And I belong to a very small city in India. I raised up in a very small city, but that city had a very great impact in the history, because the lady, Rani Lakshmi Bai, who fought the first war of independence, she was born there. So I feel very much proud that I belong to this city. And today's topic is global sustainability, innovation in global sustainability. And I believe me that when I was in the small city Jhansi, I had no idea about the world, actually. Exactly. Actually, what is all about the nations, how many countries, how many people, religions. I was just a small town girl living in my city. But what raised me as a very confident woman and an individual is education. Because the education, my father who supported me and who empowered me. So 3 things that changed my life. One is education, second one is environment, third one is empowerment. Because 3 E's, like, because firstly I tried my level best to do whatever best in my education, and environment of my family was supportive. Third one is empowerment, because the gender equality in my family who kept me going. So from a small town Jhansi, I went to Delhi, and then further I started my career in international business. But why did I choose the international business? That is still a mystery for me, because in 2006, when I did a course in MBA, Master of Business Administration in International Business, and that time nobody can think of that a lady can travel across the world. Means I have traveled to Nigeria, I have been to Lagos, I've been to Sudan, Kenya, Myanmar, Vietnam, and even to China, and many countries all alone, independently. So my education and the further skills that I added in my profile and continuous growth mindset, and with the change of technology, whatever the changes has been happening, like during the COVID time, adopting the new technologies like Zoom. Nobody was having an idea that Zoom can be the biggest platform. Like choosing the mentors, transforming myself in all kinds of aspects, whatever my job requires. And further, digital marketing. Right now, it's an era of digital marketing, like we are using ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. I am using Canva for designing of my, and I'm projecting myself as an international international person, where I can connect to the whole world. Now whole world is like my family, like sitting at my room, I'm connecting with every person in their room. I can enter into everyone's house. So the education, now with the education, what I can see is that when I was doing my MBA, that time I had no idea what world needs from me. Like if I go for interview, what interviewer wants from me, that time I had no idea. Only I had an idea that I need to know what my teachers, what my educators, what my book and other syllabus has told me the things. But further, what your life and how you shape your life is according to your experiences and how many challenges you are ready to take. And if you are ready to take the challenges. Yeah, it means if you are ready to come out of your comfort zone, then you will feel little discomfort, but definitely you will transform yourself as a person. Like from a small town, what a girl is about, how she lives in a very conservative family, where family has restrictions in dressing, family has restriction on time, family has restriction how you talk to people, how you interact with the male person. So when you transform yourself as a person, when you learn new things, when you try and experiment new ideas, when you try to challenge yourself as a person, then you become very, and in our today many people come to me and they said that I want a job. See, life is not all about doing job. Life is see, earlier when I had a concept of that I am taking the education just to earn money. See, the world doesn't need rich people. The world need more people who can uplift others. The world needs more educators, healers, and the world need more people who can inspire others. Because being rich, I know there is a that money can be a motivator, but there are other motivators in life where you always try to find your passion, what you love, and what you want to become, and what world needs. So firstly we have to align all these three things together. Then what, and consider yourself as a person who is in this world to inspire the whole global family, and what the world expects from you right now. What are the current challenges and how you can solve the problems right now, what is the current problems, and how you can be a motivator in that, how you can be a contributor in that. So in current scenario, when I am doing international business in agrochemical industry, now I am trying to solve the problems of the global farmers, not only the farmers which are in India. I am here, like I am passionate about connecting with the women entrepreneurs, as well as the females, as well as the people, or as well as any kind of person who need my mentorship. So I would say that for sustainable development, you need sustainable societies, sustainable economic environment, and sustainable complete education. And sustainability means that continuity of the society without depleting the resources. So now at what rate India is now developing is very good, because it is now the people, the young mindset is adopting the new technologies, and the young people are now ready to face the challenges, and they are now behaving as a contributor to the whole world. So I would say that in the current scenario where I am now a co-author also, I had published a book, because according to the change of the environment, you are also a product. And why anyone wants to purchase any product if the product is unique, or it is going to solve the unique problem? So when I'm considering myself as a product, so I have to add all the features whichever is required in the current scenario. Suppose in international business, I am a female international entrepreneur. So what a world requires right now? Being a female, there are challenges, but I don't consider myself as lesser than any male entrepreneur. So for me now, whatever the skill sets, whatever the any kind of knowledge of male or other person has, I have to look for my surroundings, what my buyers need from me, what are their expectations. So currently, whatever the new technologies are coming, whatever the new things are, even I'm uncomfortable, I try to be on that platform. Suppose some people say that Instagram is not for serious people, Instagram is not for business people, and people are hesitant to post too much on the Instagram. But you have to place yourself as if you are very much conscious about your image, then it would be a problem. So we should not be very conscious about our image, what people are thinking. If you want to experiment, just go to that platform like Instagram, any social media platform, whatever is the changing environment. Even try to use the chat GPT. Try to find out the answers, how much correct answers are in the chat GPT. Try to use the video editors, the different social media making pages. Like I recently I sometimes actually, because of the work too much, I am into serious business, so mostly I am into business discussion. So sometimes I don't know that how many changes are in the environment, what new changes are coming up. But when I Google something, when I try to find the answers, I am very surprised there is answer of everything on the Google right now or in the chat GPT. So the thing is that when we try to behave a serious person, and when we try to behave like that, how people will judge us, then we limit ourselves and we don't try to experiment with the current scenario. So I would suggest that try you consider yourself. I would suggest the young mindset, the young people, the current students and other whoever wants to do something big in life, that firstly, in India we say that do what you want to do and don't ignore what other people are saying. So try to experiment, try to learn new things, and transform yourself as a person. What the current job or whatever you want to become, learn the new skill sets and find a good mentor for whatever you want to learn, like digital marketing or anything about any course or subject, any good university you want to find. Just go for the course, learn the new things, transform yourself, add new skills, and experiment with the new technologies, and learn digital marketing, and try to connect with the global family, and move out from your house. If you will constrain yourself in your city, maybe you cannot learn new things. So move out from your house, move out from your country, and start traveling. When you will start traveling, your mind will become a very open minded. Like when I travel internationally, globally, I don't consider any kind of issues with male or female. I even had dinners with my client in the night. I travel to alone, and I don't consider, I don't have any perceived notion about the person. I don't judge people. So my mindset has now been changed as a person. What I have become as a better person, what I was. So try to become a better person from what you were yesterday. Don't jump into any kind of irrelevant rat race. Okay, don't jump into any kind of unnecessary competition. Your competition is your basically the competition is with yourself. What you were yesterday and what you are today. So and just follow one philosophy of your life, that success is a journey, not a destination. So success is a continuous journey, and sustainability is also a continuous journey. That whatever you want to do in your life, just begin. Your best is yet to come, and success is a journey, not a destination. And I congratulate everyone for whoever is the co-authors in this book, for the launching of the book. And I would just say that whole world is family, and we are here. So don't hesitate to connect with people. And I am just a single button away from your laptop. So whenever you feel that you have an issue, just connect to me. Thank you very much.
Wow.